Hello everyone! Today we will learn essential German words and sentences for beginners. Just take a pen and a paper, so let's start. Hallo, hello, hallo, hello. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Abend, good evening. Guten Abend, good evening. Tschüss, bye. Tschüss, bye. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Wie geht's? How are you? Wie geht's? How are you? Good, danke. Good, thanks. Good, danke. Good, thanks. Bitte, please, you're welcome. Bitte, please, you're welcome. Danke, thank you. Danke, thank you. So let's move to section 2. Yes, no, politeness. Ja, yes. Ja, yes. Nein, no. Nein, no. Vielleicht, maybe. Vielleicht, maybe. Entschuldigung, excuse me, sorry. Entschuldigung, excuse me, sorry. Tut mir leid, I'm sorry. Tut mir leid, I'm sorry. Kein Problem, no problem. Kein Problem, no problem. Natürlich, of course. Natürlich, of course. Genau, exactly. Genau, exactly. Stimmt, that's right. Stimmt, that's right. Wirklich, really. Wirklich, really. Section 3, question words. Wer, who. Wer, who. Was, what. Was, what. Wann, when. Wann, when. Wo, where. Wo, where. Warum, why. Warum, why. Wie? How? Wie? How? Welcher? Which? Welcher? Which? Wie viel? How much? Wie viel? How much? Wie viele? How many? Wie viele? How many? Woher? From where? Woher? From where? So let's move to section 4, everyday actions and commands. Kommen. To come. Kommen. To come. Gehen. To go. Gehen. To go. Sprechen. To speak. Sprechen. To speak. Hören. To hear. Hören. To hear. Sehen. To see. Sehen. To see. Machen. To do, to make. Machen. To do, to make. Essen. To eat. Essen. To eat. Trinken. To drink. Trinken. To drink. Arbeiten. To work. Arbeiten. To work. Lernen. To learn. Lernen. To learn. And the last section in this video, time words. Jetzt. Now. Jetzt. Now. Heute. Today. Heute. Today. Morgen. Tomorrow or morning. Morgen. Tomorrow or morning. Gestern. Yesterday. Gestern. Yesterday. Früher. Early. Früher. Early. Spät. Late. Spät. Late. Bald. Soon. Bald. Soon. Immer. Always. Immer. Always. Manchmal. Sometimes. Manchmal. Sometimes. Nie. Never. Nie. Never. Danke schön. Alles Gute. Bis bald.